They say an engine dictates speed. In fact, it is a definition of momentum and progress. When it comes to Indian Railways, South Western Railway has always led from the front. So, what would you like to know about Vikas Ka engine today? And see how it has become synonymous of Vikas Ka engine. Welcome to South Western Railway's search engine Vikas Ka engine. How can we help you today? How vast is South Western Railway? Spread across 3,576 route kilometers with 371 stations, South Western Railway serves the 5 states of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Goa, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. What are the infrastructural advancements of SWR? Here are the infrastructural advancements of South Western Railway over 5 years. 290 kilometers new lines commissioned and 550 kilometers track doubled. 620 kilometers electrified. Capital investment tripled from Rs 1100 to Rs 4100 crores. 73 road overbridges and 321 road underbridges constructed in last 5 years. 60 plus station buildings newly constructed in South Western Railway. 27 stations improved or newly constructed. MEMU car shed at Banaswadi in Bengaluru for suburban trains. Suburban rail project sanctioned for Bengaluru city. How many new trains did South Western Railway introduce? 124 new trains introduced. 46 trains extended. 25 rakes upgraded as Utkrisht. 32 conventional trains converted into LHB coaches. 20 rakes converted to HOG. What are the amenities for passengers at South Western Railway? First zone to launch app-based UTS ticketing. First zone to print regional languages on unreserved tickets. 12 escalators, 7 lifts. 24 foot-over bridges were commissioned over South Western Railway. 110 ATVMs provided. 420 crore rupees spent for improving passenger amenities. First in Indian Railways to implement free Wi-Fi at all stations. Operation Nighthawk and Operation Shakti launched in trains. Operation Nanhe Farishte for rescuing children registered, resounding success. South Western Railway also promotes its initiatives through social media platforms. What are the station redevelopments and beautification programs of South Western Railway? With dedicated efforts, SWR strives to beautify these stations in every way. On-board housekeeping services on 116 trains. Mechanized cleaning in vogue. 22 stations beautified with local art. Apart from registering astonishing progress in core operations, South Western Railway is embarking upon various e-initiatives and eco-friendly measures for sustained development. 4,535 kilowatt peak capacity solar plants installed in South Western Railway. Water recycling plants are functional at Bengaluru, Mysuru and Yeswantpur. Rainwater harvesting provided at 249 locations. Awards received by South Western Railway? Since its inception, South Western Railway has added many feathers to its cap and won awards at numerous occasions. What are the tourist attractions at SWR? Pristine beauty that attracts every tourist. South Western Railway Belt offers scenic landscapes and iconic tourist destinations. This beauty and the legacy is something that needs to be witnessed. South Western Railway, Vikas Ka engine.